Alright, so we're here with a Saiga 12. It's actually an SDS Lynx 12. It's a semi-auto shotgun based on an AK variant. We upgraded the foregrip here with a tactical quad rail so we can add other components to it. I went ahead and upgraded the barrel ring to a little bit meatier one. And so what we're going to be doing is unboxing and going through this. It's just a little inexpensive red and green reflex sight. Real simple, straightforward little product. It's designed to go right onto these rails. So right out of the box, it's got some instructions here. Gives you everything you need. Shows you some additional products that might be helpful. Shows you all the components of it, so you can go through that. Shows you instructions, battery, mounting, zeroing, things like that. So, if you're familiar with sights, you know how simple and straightforward these sights can be. This also comes with customer service contact information, so we have that handy. Comes with a lens wipe, which is always helpful. Comes with an extra battery, and that is for the laser sight that comes on it. Comes with another battery, that would be for the the actual sight itself. And then one more battery, so probably the laser dot requires two. Then we have this extender, which allows us to turn the product on and off remotely, which is nice. I personally probably won't be using it unless I absolutely have to. Of course, it comes with some tools, which are always handy, and another battery. So I guess the laser sight probably has 3 batteries. So we're going to get these tools out now because I know I'm going to need them here in a little bit. And then everything else in the case, that's it. Just rubber foam. So that's that. Inside we have this wrapped up in plastic. The back is open. It's got some anti-moisture beads in there. There we go. And this is the sight. This is my scope. This is what I'll be using. I don't know how well it'll last. I know I've got one similar to this on my AK-47. And the rattling from that loosens that screw right there, the one that goes straight down into it. So that loosens up and it just becomes useless. And then it also loosens all the sights on it. So I'm not expecting a whole lot. But this is a shotgun. You don't really need a sight on a shotgun anyways. My friend was talking to me about this, like, why are you getting a sight on your shotgun? And I said, why not? Seems like a proper answer. Everyone should have a sight on a shotgun. Especially one as cool looking as this with all its rails and that sort. So, that screws right off. Screws right on. You get to unscrew that. And then put this on for, like I said, quick and easy access, should you choose to do it that way. Of course, right over here is a battery compartment for the scope itself. So we're not going to deal with that right now. You guys are familiar with how batteries and stuff work and how much of a pain in the butt. Okay, you know what? Those are a pain in the butt to put on, so let's just do it once. There. You happy now? There we go. Screws right on. Just like that. Beautiful. Ooh. That is a very tough knob to turn. Well, it's loosening up now, but it wasn't a tough knob to turn. As you turned it, it turned on and then gets brighter and brighter or darker and darker, depending on which way you turn it on. It's nifty. Okay, and then since I have this off, I'll just pop these in too. Why does batteries have to be so small? Such a pain. 1, Down the hatch. Of course, it went in backwards. Does not always happen. There. First try. Okay, second one. Out. Come out. There we go. These little tiny screw batteries are such a pain, of course. Of course. We'll get to it. Alright, next one. If you know of an easier, quicker way to put these in, just let me know. There we go. Just stack them on top of each other and then slid them in at a 90-degree angle to the ground. And then, of course, it has a stupid spring on it, which is helpful and not at the same time. Wow. Ugh. Putting this on is way harder than I expected. Yes, sometimes there are... Oh, it was right there and then it fell out. He didn't think he'd be watching a scope video and seeing just how difficult it is. This stupid screw in. Oh, up. Ah! First try. Lego Batman can do it. I can do it. Look at that red dot. Oh. The button doesn't work. What's the point of having the button if the button's not going to work? It has to be loosened or something? Like it's loose. I don't know what I was expecting. This was inexpensive, so I guess don't screw it in all the way. Alright, so inexpensive scope, that's the consequences you're going to get. Alright, so now to mount this bad boy. So what you need to do is loosen these two screws right here, which, let's try the big one first. Tool came with it. Simple loosen. Same there, simple loosen. Oh, too loose. I think this scope is going to give me issues. I think it's going to fight me every step of the way, but that's okay. It was inexpensive. Get what you pay for, right? Alright, and then just slide it right on. I know I should be coming from the other side, but you know what? I'm going to put this, since I suspect this thing is going to fight me every step of the way, I am going to put it forward more than anything else. Let's be honest, this is a sight on a shotgun. How necessary is a sight on a shotgun if you're going to be doing really, really far shooting? A lot. However, if you're just going to be doing a little bit of shooting, like I am, and using your long-range stuff for your AK or your AR or something like that, which is a lot more logical, then you don't need anything more fancy than that. Ta-da! There we go. There's my SDS Import Lynx 12 shotgun with inexpensive sight for plinking with. That's about it. Alright, there you go. That's all I've got for you today.